The other day, while surfing the internet, I came across a post on Facebook page. So I thought, why not to make a video on using QR code for connecting to internet. My name is Daniel Hassan, your personal host for IT Solution on Creative Mind YouTube channel. Let me give you an example. Maybe this has happened to you. You have some friends over and they ask for the Wi-Fi password. So you tell them, oh yeah, it's on the bottom of your router, or it's a custom password that you set, so you go and try to spell out. But the password is so complicated that your friend's so angry. Anyway, if there was a better way where you didn't have to even tell your friends what the password is, but they were still able to connect to your Wi-Fi using QR code. Let's talk about how to create QR code, which is very easy. Okay, so there are plenty of free websites that allow you to create a QR code, but I select qrcodegenerator.com. Just type QR dash code dash generator.com, hit enter. Open the Wi-Fi tab, just a little bit scroll down. Okay, network name, it means network SSID, whatever. Put a password, whatever your password is. Okay, then select your encryption type. After selecting the encryption type, just click on generate QR code. Then coming to this section, it will provide you the layout of your QR code. But remember that this website is not a fully free. Some layouts of your QR code is premium and a little bit are free. According to my choice, just select this one and download as a JPG or as any vector file. Okay. Your QR is being generated. Okay, it's almost downloaded. Your QR code is downloaded. Just open Microsoft Word. After downloading the QR code, just play it in a Microsoft Word document and take a printout and just simply place it on your router and simply scan and connect to the Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and give thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thank you.